usually the only thing that stops that is what is CG? CG is center of gravity. Like GP center of pressure. Yep. Low.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch.
Yep. Sweet. Thanks, dude.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch. Number on pad 6 on G64. Ready to go, Miguel?
Yeah, fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed. Whole team's here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch.
That was planned, Oscar. Well done.
Pop the fin off, Mel.
Pardon?
800 VMAX. Thank God the other information tells me there's got a tele GPS in there, so he can go and find it electronically because I'm not looking for it. It's on pad bank B, pad number 4. It's set to go. If you got a camera, set it to stun because this sucker's going to move off the pad. Are you ready to go? The one on the right hand side. Bare fiberglass, black fins. Set. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch. I told you to watch it. Pad number 1, we got Julian's aerial on an I-287. Set to go, Jules? Yep. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch. They're not clouds.
That's terrible, but
It's armed, ready to go. Confidence. Let's go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch. Puppy bit good. Over, looking for apogee deployment, apogee deployment. We've had
500 feet. 500 feet.
separated.
Uh-oh.
what's happened?
It's in 2 pieces.
Something's coming down. Something's coming down. Heads up. What happened?
The issue with danger, but it has separated into 2 sections. The nose cone might take a while to get back.
Not launching. We're not launching. Which one? It's none of these ones, but we're...
Testing the waters, I guess. Ready to go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch. Definitely went up.